A tasty meal, low in fat, high in protein. Introducing the Greek chicken bar, served family style. It's flavorful and healthy, and will have you feeling energized and satisfied. Let's dig in. In a bowl, combine lemon juice, oil, dried oregano, and garlic. The lemon juice in this recipe gets you one step closer to meeting your daily vitamin C requirements, aiding your immune system as well as collagen production, helping to keep your skin looking radiant and bright. Pour the marinade into a reusable zip top. Then, add chicken and smush around to thoroughly combine. Let everything sit and soak together for 20 minutes to 1 hour. Here's the deal with the oils. Avocado oil can withstand higher cooking temperatures than olive oil, but some prefer the taste of olive oil over avocado oil, so it's totally up to you. Preheat your grill or stovetop grill pan to medium heat. Grill roughly 5 minutes on each side or until a meat thermometer measures the internal temperature at 165 degrees. Now for the low-fat cucumber herb yogurt sauce. In a medium bowl, stir 1 seeded and grated English cucumber, 1 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of chopped mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of chopped dill, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Beyond the yummy crunch and fiber that cucumbers provide, it's also one of the most hydrating foods out there, so it may even quench your thirst. Both dill and mint are booming with antioxidants, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects on the body. You may not realize it, but this meal can actually benefit your gut, thanks to the probiotics in the Greek yogurt. These healthy probiotics found in the sauce help to calm stress, ease moodiness, and can even boost the immune system. So I certainly recommend you generously drizzle that yogurt sauce. Arrange your Greek chicken bar family style and build as you wish. This low-fat and light option can be combined in so many different ways. A bowl, plate, wrap, or even a salad. You can't lose. This meal has it all. The lean protein from the chicken, mixed with the Greek yogurt sauce, herbs, and spices lend both health and low-fat nutrition to your lunch or dinner.